Wait, if you use the internet every single day, you probably have been signing up for a lot of services. Now, services are regard to websites or applications, which at the back end has a database to store your information. Now, if you use internet every single day, obviously you need to sign up for every service for you to be able to use that service, okay? We all know that 90 to 95% of the platforms we sign up for online request for our email accounts just to keep in touch with us and all the security requirement as well, okay? Now, these services, they grab our details and they store it for us. So for us to access our account, we need to log in. By logging in, we are making a GET request to get our information from the database. You don't really need to understand all what that means, okay? So what I'm trying to explain in this video is that sometimes our data gets breached, maybe due to incompetent staff or by cyber attack, okay? So you probably does not even know that most of these big platforms that we use oftentimes suffer from data breaches. Companies like Canva, big companies, Facebook, Canva, Instagram, they suffer from data breaches. So what now happens when the data from these platforms that we use gets breached? Number one is they can actually put it for sale on the dark web, okay? So whenever they put it for sale, people are going to buy it and they will use it to defraud you. Obviously, they have your details and you are even blind to know that they have your details because you don't know that they have your details, right? And then they can have your email account, have your password, and which is also the main reason why it is advisable for you to use a different password for every single platform that you sign up to. Although I don't think most of us practice that, but it is very, very advisable. If you can do that, please do it. Now let me show you how to check if that email account that you have been using to sign up for almost all the platforms has been included in any data breach. Let's hop into my computer while I show you how to do this. So head over to the website haveibeenpwned.com and we have this huge question right here. Have I been pwned? I don't really know. Let's find out. In this inputs field right here, I'm just going to paste in my email address and I'll click on pawn. So obviously this email has been pawned, sadly. Okay, I didn't even find out. So you can see, let's go through some websites which experienced a data breach, which I used this email address to sign up for. You can see this is Wattpad. You know, this is verifications.io, this is Twitter, this is Trello, SitePoint, Gravatar, data enrichment explosion, I don't even know what that means, CashCrate, Canva, oh, that's so bad. So you can see, like I said, huge companies get attacked frequently. You can see that this is Twitter right now. You can see that this is Trello. These are huge companies. This is SitePoint. This is Canva right here. These are huge companies. So like I said before, this is a proof that big companies, they also get attacked. In fact, they even get attacked the more because they have the huge user base, right? So you can see that is how to check that. Just feel free to go to this website and look up your email address and see if it has been pawned or not. So you keep yourself safe. If you got some value from this video, make sure you share it so that others can as well see it. If this is your first time seeing my video, make sure you follow me because you might probably not see me again if you don't do that. I'll be sure to see you in my next video. Peace.